you just a quick video of putting this Rad bicycle together. Rad Power Mini. I set the speed up on this video just to give you a quick overview on how easy it is to put together. I just did this by myself and it really wasn't that bad. Here I'm just cutting off all the tie wraps. It was packed very well. No scratches, nothing, no damage at all. But it took a while to remove all the packaging. And here I have to make sure the cables are going the right way on the forks. Yeah, I went the wrong way. The cables that come from the handlebars. Yeah, I'd cut some more packaging. Got to get all the screws together. And I got to adjust it properly. That I think is right for me. This is not my bike, it's for the wife. I already have a power assist bike. I have a pedal assist bike. So I gotta make sure all the screws and everything is tight. I noticed that all the screws on here, they have Loctite, which is good, and they seem to be stainless, so they shouldn't rust at all. They give you a small tool kit to put this together, but I just use some of my own tools. I used a T-handle Allen wrench most of the time for a lot of things on the bike. Cut some more packaging. And here there's a little foot on the forks that you have to take off to put the wheel on. So I'm doing that now. I already put air in the front tire. Yeah, the tires are flat when you get this out of the box. It only really took me, I think, around a half an hour to put this together. It's quite easy. I didn't have to adjust the brakes, nothing. Everything was really good. And we did rent a Rad Power bike from ebike Niagara. You can rent them there. So I want to make sure she liked it before I bought it. They used to have a discount when you rent a bike, you could get money off the bike you buy, but that didn't happen this time. Putting the pedals on here. One goes clockwise, the other one goes counterclockwise. And you need a thin wrench to do this. Luckily I had one. I forget what size it was. Putting the fender on. Yeah, we're out testing out the new bike for Monique. There she is. Right back there on a Rad Power. We're only doing 22 kilometers an hour right now. I don't want to push it, she just got on it. Here we are crossing a bridge. See how she does. Do you hear her? And later on I bought a basket, but I don't have any pictures of the bike with the basket. I'll add a picture of the basket. That was probably the hardest thing to put on, because the screws were really hard to go into the bike. It's like they weren't tapped properly, or maybe it's just way too much Loctite on it. And then you have to run the cable for your light. You have to move your light onto the basket. This is the front basket that I got for the bike. But she wanted to put her purse in there and be able to see her purse while she was riding. There, I did the back fender. Put the seat on. Oh, I put the battery in. There's a seat. Oh, careful. Hey! Yeah, that was a lot of work. Whew. Now I think I'll take her for a little test drive after I fill up the back tire. There's a little bit of air in it, but it's not up to, I think, 50 pounds you put in there. Yeah, keep pumping. Now I think I'll go down and give it a little test ride around the pool. After I adjust the seat. Yeah, there's the wife reading her book by the pool. She could have helped, I guess. That probably would have been worse. Yeah, I gotta take it down the stairs. I built a ramp to drive this thing up and down because I store it in the shed right beside the pool. Yeah, I start out here on the wrong gear, so I have an issue. Almost running into the solar cover. Look out. Yeah, it didn't work. I figured it out. Off I go. Don't fall in the pool, you idiot. Doesn't look very smart. Yeah, it works perfectly, see? No adjustments. We've taken it out a bunch of times since and still don't have any issues with it. She really likes it. The only thing I don't really like, it's really heavy. I think it's like 60 pounds. That's why I built a ramp to get it out from that area. It's pretty heavy to carry up the 3 flights of stairs. 3 steps, I mean. Okay, that's it. Oh, there she is riding the bike. She looks happy. She doesn't go very fast though. Not yet, just gotta get used to it.